Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your BMW X5 into neutral. This is a common question, especially with modern electronic gear selectors. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Understanding your car's specific electronic shifter is key, as it operates differently from older mechanical systems. We will cover both standard and emergency procedures. For the standard method, begin by pressing the brake pedal firmly with your foot. Next, locate the gear selector lever in your center console. Gently push the selector lever forward towards the dashboard. You will need to hold it in this forward position for about 2 seconds. This action should engage neutral, allowing the vehicle to roll freely if the parking brake is disengaged. Sometimes, you might need to put your BMW X5 into neutral when the engine is off, perhaps for towing. This is an emergency procedure. You will typically need to access a manual release mechanism, often located under the center console or near the gear selector. This usually involves using a small tool to depress a lever. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise location and instructions for this specific emergency release. Remember, safety is paramount when operating your vehicle. Always ensure the parking brake is fully engaged before attempting to put the car in neutral, especially on an incline. Never leave your BMW X5 unattended while it is in neutral, as it could roll unexpectedly. Familiarize yourself with your vehicle's electronic systems, and always consult your owner's manual for any specific details or warnings unique to your model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.